I've been looking for products, particularly adhesive vinyl products, that are highly compatible with our latex print and cut workflow. Specifically, I'm looking for monomeric, if you will, inexpensive calendared vinyls, or inexpensive polymeric or intermediate calendared vinyls that are highly compatible with the HP latex. Now, all of the monomeric and polymerics will work. It's just some may work a little better than others based upon our particular characteristics. What I'm looking for is an adhesive vinyl that I can print from the pinch rollers. So after you hit cut, it cuts a straight line, which you're going to use with our HP cutter to align on the cutter, which you align horizontally, not vertically. And then the material is going to roll back to the pinch rollers. Now, if possible, I would prefer to send the next job without adjusting anything. I don't want to roll it forward. I don't want to have to tape a leader onto it. I don't want to waste any material. I don't want to do any of that. I don't want to have to upgrade to a more expensive adhesive vinyl. What I'm looking for is an affordable, easy to use, highly reliable product that after I hit cut and it rolls back to the pinch rollers, I want to be able to send the next job, not think twice about it, everything prints fine. What I'm going to need is a certain type of vinyl that is temperature resistant and also has a highly compatible liner. I think I found one. It is a new product by HP, and it is called the HP Prime Gloss Air GP. The air means it has an air release liner to it. Nice product. Very reasonably priced. This is new on the market from HP, the HP Prime series. Now there's more variations on this, but this is the one that I have for now that I ran first. It's the Prime Gloss Air GP. Now this particular Prime has some notable characteristics. When I print on this, as you can see from the bottom here, I don't have hardly any space there. The software is automatically going to generate a little distance that it needs because it needs to go over to the cutter. And you can't print the barcode right to the edge because I need a little space there for the cutter to be able to control the material. But I don't want to spend any more space. So this was printed right at the pinch rollers. Now this is running at the maximum temperature, which is 241 degrees, and I've sent it over several times on this 315, no troubles from the pinch roller. When the fans come on, the material just keeps going right straight through, no issues. So I know that even at the maximum temperature, this is a highly compatible material. So I can run it at slow and faster speeds and be able to put some more ink on it, because if you can take 241 degrees and it doesn't do anything and everything travels perfectly, that means I can run faster modes with a reasonable amount of ink, or even a little slower modes with quite a bit of ink, so my quality range is all the way across the board, and I like that. And then the fact that I can print from the pinch rollers, I also like that. That's a big plus. Those are two of the characteristics I'm looking for in an ideal print and cut vinyl. And I don't want to have to use an expensive material. Now, I will if I'm doing, depending on the application for print and cut, but in this case, I'm focusing on decals and stickers and indoor applications. Nice product, prints great. A lot of selections within the new Prime category. It's just been released. What I see, they print beautiful. It prints beautiful on the 500 series, printing beautiful on this 315 for my print and cuts. I don't have to roll it forward. It appears to be a very good selection for the print and cut process. Nicely done, great, recommended. Certainly something you would put at the top of the list for a successful print and cut application.